Need to step up your audio game. We need to step up the quality. I Are you a vlogger, YouTuber, or content creator and you're looking to step up the quality of your audio game? Now look no further because Saramonic's got you. Now Saramonic is a company that offers professional audio solutions, and on our today's how-to video, we are going to take a look at one of its products, that is the Smart Mixer. As usual, before we start, let's take a look at what is in the box. Now let's unbox it and see what's inside. Going to place this aside. So as you can see, it's nicely packaged, very pretty inside. Now, in the inside, we had this warranty card. I'm going to place it aside. We have a manual right here. We have a handle grip right here. We have the main unit, the Smart Mixer. This is the main unit. We have two cables. One is for Android and the other one is for iOS. We have a mini 2 standard XLR cable. We also have a phone clamp where we are going to mount our phone. And lastly, we have two condenser microphones right here. Yeah. So yes, that's all we had in the box. Now let me place this aside and we take a look at the features on the main unit and also how to set it up for use. Now, this is the main unit. Let's take a tour around the features. At the top, we have an 8th mic input, 2 of them. At the front, we have a volume knob, just for adjusting your volume levels. And we have an LCD monitor right here. It shows your battery life and your audio meters. Right here, we have a plus 48 volts. Comes in handy when you're using an extra microphone. Yeah. We have the play and record toggle switch. You either put it on play when you want to listen to what you have recorded or record when you're recording. At the bottom, we have the cold shoe mount. On this side, we have the mini XLR port. At the back, we have the battery compartment. This is where your battery goes, yeah. On this side, we have a headphone jack port and we have a phone port. Let's set it up for use. Yes, guys. Now, we have the handle grip and we have the phone clamp. This is where your phone goes and this is the handle grip. Now, you can either mount the phone clamp on the handle grip using this port, or here, we have 3 of them, or here. But today, for now, I'm going to mount it using the bottom one. Yeah, you just rotate it until it's tight enough. Yeah. And mine is already in place. You can see I've fastened it. It's tight enough. We are going now to mount the main unit, the Smart Mixer. Now you're going to slide it in and then you're going to fasten it so that it's tight enough, it doesn't fall off. And yeah, it's in place. As you can see, now we are going to place our phone on the phone clamp. Now, as you can see, the space is small, the phone can't fit. To correct that, you have to loosen the phone clamp to create more space for the phone, for your phone to fit. You can see the space is increasing when I'm rotating this knob. You have to make sure there's enough space for the phone. Yeah. Now we try placing it back and see if the space is enough. Still not yet. Now you continue rotating the knob until you have enough space for the phone. Try setting it back again. And yes, now we close the phone clamp to secure the phone so it doesn't fall off by rotating the knob. And yeah, the phone is now in place. Yeah, nothing can fall off now because I've secured all of them. Now remember, we had our 2 condenser microphones. We're going to input them right there, and the other one right there. Look how pretty it is. Now remember, as I was unboxing, I mentioned we have 2 cables. We have one for Android and we have one for iOS. And since I'm using an iPhone, I'm going to use the iOS cable. Yeah. So let's get that. Yeah. This is the iOS cable. You place it and on the unit, you put it on the phone jackpot. And just like that, your unit is ready for use. Your microphones have to face the subject. Yeah, if the subject is yourself, which I'll be taking maybe a selfie, they have to face me. But if you're recording someone else on this other side, they have to face the other side. Yeah. Also, I had mentioned about the mini XLR to standard cable. Now, this comes also in handy if you're using an extra microphone. Maybe if you're recording interviews and you want to use an extra one, you can use this cable. To acquire this unit or any other product from us, you can visit our website at www.highwayav.co.ke or call us, or you can also visit our offices at Trans Towers, South B, Savo Road. Until next time with another awesome product, bye-bye.